we're an 18-year-old company, or we were an 18-year-old company, and we had 18 years worth of data debt. People had built stuff, they built stuff on-prem. 5 years ago, they had this fantastic idea we'd move everything in the cloud. We then had stuff on-prem and stuff in the cloud, and we had the same data in both places, and we just didn't understand it at all. So we needed something that would come in and actually tell us where our data was, identify what our PI data was, and then actually help us as we started to look at things like records retention and be able to identify what we need to get rid of. So we needed something that was going to be able to go across all of our systems very quickly and start to identify that data. The reason we chose BigID was originally we went out to Gartner and we asked Gartner to recommend how we could deal with the 18 years of technical debt. Gartner recommended BigID. Once we started to look at BigID as well, there were parts of it that really stood out to us. So the correlation piece, when we start to look at records retention, was always going to be that important piece for us. We're slightly different to some of BigID's customers in that we actually bought in a managed service. So we work with another company recommended by BigID who delivered the technical side of the solution. So my team didn't actually have to go out and learn how to use the tool, didn't learn how to code the business rules. That was all done for us. So a really good advantage to us was we signed a contract in April and we were actually live working with the tool in October. I've implemented many data governance tools and they take 18 months to 2 years, and you're probably at that basic point. We were actually identifying and remediating data 16 weeks after we signed the contract. The best bit about working with BigID is being able to get there very quickly and actually having that knowledge to fall back on. So I was new to the organization. The third or fourth meeting that I had after joining was actually with BigID to start looking at some of this and how we were going to make it work. I didn't understand our data landscape. We don't understand our data landscape. After 18 years and so many different data sets being built up, it's that ability to go in, throw a scanner over the top of it and actually get that information back. So that's been a positive. And as I say, the people we get to work with is always good too. You like when you can actually build that one team ethos. It's not that we're working with BigID, it's not that we're working with the third party. We're all working together to fix that problem.